let me see if I know how to use the Inuos, though, is the thing that I'm not sure about. So bear with me for a quick second. Axxess Forte.
You guys like jazz?
This stuff is actually offline, so it's just whatever's dumped on this media server right now, and that's the only other thing. I have playlists for all my Focal stuff, right? I don't even know what's on this guy's playlist right now, so we're gonna give it a go. They got good taste, so I'm sure we'll be doing. Yep.
Or is it too late for that?
That is the problem. We are running out of time. I don't know. I have to check and see if Rick has any demos for Modern Audio. If not, then I'm going to do the New Vista with the Utopias one last time. So let's try and not waste any time. And the music that's that, right? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, so now I know where we're at.
Sorry, it's the Axxess. Ever since the network issues, the Inuos has been stuttering for about 10 seconds. So you gotta play the track, wait 10 seconds, and then it kicks in.
Oh yeah, it literally started over.
Yeah, you have to wait. Once it starts over, it plays.
What dB is the volume roughly at on this? Do you know? Or are you able to do the demo, Mr. Owner of the company? Guys, this is the owner, Ed, who owns EQ Audio, with that nice relaxing drive with the 400 I was talking about.
I'll drive you there.
Yeah.
What tracks do you want to play here?
I didn't even know it was on. I was just grabbing whatever was on the screen.
Okay.
I don't know the playlist on that. That's my only thing here.
So let me find you a playlist. Mary. Yeah, anything. So you just tap it. I've already played it. Wait.
Playing, I can hear it.
No.
Oh no, that's the other one.
Just wait. Just wait.
That's that network, right?
Yes. Yeah. Sorry guys, hotel networks are a fun thing for streaming and servers. You want to have this around mid-20s.
Okay. Alright, good stuff. I think you said mid to low 20s, right?
You live all your days according to his way. Never show your true face, pretending how great. Oh, Mary, what good is your crown with your heart on ordinary.
Okay, I'm going to skip through just because of the time constraints, just so we get a cross section of a few tracks, guys. Some really nice covers in whoever's playlist this is. I'm thinking there's like a 10-second buffer actually when it's doing.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things.
Okay, so we're going to finish this one up.
And then I don't.
I just hit it twice, it's better than the delay. I'm going to leave the volume where it is. It's be a hard switch right now, the bungee jump. So let's see what the bass lines like that after we're playing with the divas and such. Even though these are considerably cheaper than that. These are only 30K. Yeah. What? Right? I asked them, I'm like, US dollars? No, Canadian.
Canadian.
Yeah. Per driver,
Yeah. 30 Canadians, unbelievable.
Yeah.
And if
So let's see here. I had some requests. Is everyone still here who wanted to do the Utopias in the back corner? Okay. Let's sneak in a couple of tracks before I get